sector is real estate and construction, and the category is emerging interior design and renovation firm. Can we please welcome on stage SVE Group? Let's hear a very big round of applause for SVE Group. Real estate and construction, emerging interior design and renovation firm. So we would like to know from you, how do you feel?
Okay. So good evening. Myself Ravindra from SVE Group. We are basically construction and builders. So I will like to thank you Karnataka Business Awards. They recognize all potential companies like us. We are struggles and come this stage. And we are here because of Karnataka Business Awards. I'll heartily thanks to Karnataka Business. They are giving opportunities and they're recognizing, so like us, the businessman to come off. And thank you so much once again. Thank you.
We congratulate your whole team on achieving this achievement.